Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you my Howarthia plant. I'm not sure the name of this plant because these are one of many plants that had no name tag. So yeah, this is a succulent. And it has bloomed already for me, and I did make a video on it, and I'm not sure where it is, but if I find it I will just attach it to this video. And it bloomed for me like let's say 2 months ago, and again there's another bloom here. This plant is really happy in front of the window, and look how lovely it is. I'm in my son's room. He allows me to put plants in his room. Lucky me. And it's so lovely. Look how the color is so beautiful, and the flower is like little tiny trumpet. It's so beautiful. You see that? It's gorgeous. It's a very easy plant. I mean, nothing to do, just water it once in a while. I don't water it to keep it moist. I water it when only it's dry, like really dry. Otherwise I don't water it. And so far so good. The plant is doing fine, and maybe lack of watering, that's why it dries out some of the leaves. But I've got many babies, and I have repotted it from a small pot. Now it's in a bigger pot, but now I think it's time to repot it again to a bigger pot. But it won't fit on the window if I repot it, so I might have to divide it. Yes, I don't like dividing them, but I have no choice. It's so beautiful, and the flower it gives you is just gorgeous, just gorgeous. My friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.